Hi, I'm Dylan with AmeriDri Restoration, your trusted partner in mold remediation. Today, we'll walk you through our professional process to make your home or business mold-free, safe, and healthy once again. Let's take a look at how we get this done. The first step in any mold remediation job is containment. We carefully seal off the affected areas to prevent the spread of mold spores, installing a negative pressure area using our air filtration device. With negative pressure in place, no contaminants leave the area, keeping your home or business safe. Our team always wears proper professional protective equipment, PPE, to safely remove any mold-infested materials. Once the contaminated materials are removed, we use a HEPA vacuum to very carefully clean all surfaces. This vacuum captures all remaining mold spores and fine dust particles. Next, we apply a liquid antimicrobial to treat and scrub all surfaces using a hard bristle brush to remove any stubborn mold residue. Then, we set up our air movers and dehumidifiers to completely dry out the area. Once the area is dry, we fog the area with antimicrobial solutions to ensure it's fully treated and sanitized. After one more round of HEPA vacuuming, we perform post-mitigation testing. This includes air and surface sampling to make sure all mold levels are within safe limits. And that's how we restore your space back to safety with our mold remediation process at AmeriDri Restoration. With over 30 years of experience, the right tools, and the best team, we've got you covered. If you suspect mold in your home or business, give us a call today for an inspection. AmeriDri Restoration is here to help.